Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your website from a hack with GoDaddy detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your website from a hack with GoDaddy, begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the My Products page. Locate the domain associated with your hacked website. Click on the Manage button next to that domain. In the domain settings, scroll down to find the web hosting section. Choose the hosting account linked to your website. Select the settings icon within your hosting account. Look for the security section. Check if the backups feature is enabled. If backups are available, select the option to restore from a previous backup. Review the most recent backup date and confirm that it predates the hack. Begin the restore process by clicking on the Restore button. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration. Once the restoration is complete, navigate back to your website's dashboard. Check your website thoroughly for any remaining issues or suspicious content. Update all website software, including your content management system and plugins. Change all passwords associated with your website. Highlight the importance of using strong, unique passwords for enhanced security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Review your website's user access and remove any unauthorized accounts. Finally, monitor your website regularly to prevent future hacks. Consider installing security plugins to help detect and mitigate threats quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.